Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how this solar MPPT meter works and what readings you can check with it. This device is called the UNI-T UT673PV solar MPPT meter. It is used to measure the performance of a solar panel accurately. Explanation. Let's take a look at the display and understand each reading. Pmax. This shows the maximum power output of your solar panel. Here it is 215.1 watts. VMP. This shows the voltage at maximum power point. In this reading, it is 47.8 volts. IMP. This shows the current at maximum power point. Here it is 4.5 amps. VOLT. This is the open circuit voltage. When there is no load connected to the panel, it is showing 48.9 volts. ESCI. This is the short circuit current when the panel's output is directly shorted. Here it is 10.1 amps. At the bottom, you can see that the test is completed and it took about 13.8 seconds. Buttons. This meter has two modes. One, auto, to measure automatically. Two, manual, to measure manually as per your need. Safety tip. Keep in mind that the maximum voltage limit for this meter is 60 volts. Do not exceed this limit to avoid damage. So friends, in this video you learned how a solar MPPT meter works and how to read its measurements. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.